In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Freshsales in just 5 minutes. This process will help streamline your workflow and ensure that you're getting the most out of your Freshsales account. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and type Freshsales into the search bar. Once you've located the Freshsales website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before moving on to the next step. This login will take you to your main dashboard, where you can start setting up your automations. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu bar. From here, click on Admin Settings. The Admin Settings section is where you'll find all the options for customizing your Freshsales environment, making it the perfect place to start your automation journey. Next, within the admin settings, select Teams and Territories. This is where you can manage different teams and territories that are crucial to your organization. It's important to ensure that your teams are set up correctly so that automation can run smoothly and accurately. Now that you're in Teams and Territories, it's time to move on to Workflows. You have the option to either create a brand new workflow from scratch or choose a pre-built template. If you're new to this, pre-built templates can be incredibly helpful, as they give you a foundational structure to work from. However, if you have specific needs, creating an original workflow ensures it matches your exact vision. Once you've decided on your workflow option, identify the type of record you want to automate. This could be anything from contacts and accounts to deals. Selecting the correct record type is crucial as it defines the scope and application of your automation. After choosing the record type, you'll need to set a specific event, also known as a trigger, to start your workflow. This could be an action like a new lead being added to your system. You'll also want to define any conditions that must be met for the workflow to commence. These conditions ensure that your automation only runs when it's supposed to, which can be incredibly useful for maintaining efficiency and accuracy. Now, select the automated actions that should occur. These might include sending personalized emails to new contacts, creating follow-up tasks, assigning records to particular users, or even adding or removing tags. This is where your workflow truly comes to life by carrying out these actions without manual intervention. Once everything is set up, give your workflow a descriptive name and add a brief description explaining its purpose. This will make it easier for you and your team to manage multiple automations. Finally, don't forget to save and activate your workflow to kick off the automation process. And there you have it. With this setup, your Freshsales account is now working smarter, not harder, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.